Hello, welcome to my new video. And today I got One Piece and Triple Decker and the Amarillo El Capitan. What is nice? This is so cool. I got from 64 to whoa. Whoa! Oh, it just comes straight out. Whoa! Oh, really easy. Whoa! It has 1, 2, 3 buses. It's like 3 buses. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, ho, ho, ho. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This vehicle has 12 damn wheels. Oh, I crashed into a trailer. Oh. Well, at least my bus. Oh, shit. Triple decker bus, let's go. Oh, right. The door's closed. Okay, thanks. Yeah. If people sit in the upper deck, the driver makes an announcement that no standing up on the upper deck. The train plows through the bus and derails. 6 people died and 32 were injured. But some people on the bus were unhurt. Well, that stupid driver of the bus, he's not learning how to drive and be patient. Well, this is the end of this video. Bye.